All right. What's up? What's up, everyone? How's everyone doing? Those on the live
Cool.
streams, you can hear me, right?
Yeah, Papi, we can hear you.
Nowadays, I've been so busy. So busy. So
What's up, Elvis, bro?
I'm
How's
very,
everything?
very fine, bro. How are you?
I'm good, man.
All right. All right. So yesterday we did take some trades. But before we talk about yesterday's trades, let me just do the quick intro, then we continue. Yeah. Right. So if you just join us, kindly like.
Like.
I beg you, kindly like. All right. So we will start after 100 likes. Currently we're at 40, so we start after 100 likes. It's Friday. All right, so today we are going to trade synthetic stocks, cryptocurrencies, and futures. We do trade this live streams every day, 13:30 GMT. If this is your first time, now you know. All we do is talk about technical and fundamental analysis here. Ask questions or share ideas or suggestions on the comment section. Follow me on all my socials, always justice official _ that's my Instagram. On my Twitter, man of serendipity. This is my recommended broker. If you want, you can use it. Link to synthetics. If you see me trading step index, VIX, and all those kind of pairs, there's a link to register it. The link to my free Telegram community. That's it. And this is the most important part of this whole intro. I'm not a financial advisor. All content I provide here is strictly for educational purposes, and I'm not promising anyone guaranteed money. Trade at your own risk. Apply proper risk management always. All right, apply proper risk management always. All right, so 100 likes, then we start quickly. Your screen isn't clear. It's your resolutions. Check if your resolutions is at HD or something. I don't know. There's nothing wrong with my screen. I'm using 3 screens now and all is clear. So check your screen, please. Check your maybe your Wi-Fi or something. Hey dog, is there a different way to pay for FTMO group than the 3 times that? Currently there's still sanctions in Russia, so it's very difficult. I don't use Scroll now. I don't use PayPal. I don't use a lot of systems. Just how do you call it? Just cryptocurrencies. I don't use Mastercard. Mastercards are blocked here, so I can't use. I'm not flexible here in Russia now. That's why I want to move out of Russia after my exams. Please explain FTMO. Do go to my YouTube, you would see it. So we have 100 likes. Yep, thank you.
Elvis, do you think continuous buys gold continues to buy?
We'll talk about gold. So if you want to know more about FTMO, spot firms, do go watch this video. Right? Go watch this video. Well, let's start with fundamental analysis, right? I'm sorry I'm eating. I'm very, very hungry. The whole day I haven't eaten. I just go home soon. So
Eat for me.
I'm very, very hungry. Just taking some snacks. All right. So today is Tuesday. Today we had the USD news and the NZD news, but I think there was a news that was released today. There was another news that was also released today, Tuesday. Yes, CPI news. 7:30 p.m. was renewed. CPI was negative, so we all expecting stocks to sell, gold to buy, which happened, right? Gold was positive, which happened. Now let's come, to look at aftermath the news. Yesterday, before we talk about aftermath the news, let's talk about pairs that we traded yesterday. What trades did we take yesterday? I'll talk about gold. Don't worry. What pairs did we trade yesterday?
USD CAD, the Euro news, NZD.
All right, USD CAD. Where is it? All right. USD CAD. Yesterday we caught buys on USD CAD. I think it came for our TP1. Right, smashed our TP1, came back for entry. So anyone that moved stop loss to entry is now out of the trade. So basically, you did lose your profits. You just lost your profit, not your capital. Right, you just lost your profit, not your capital. That's that for USD CAD. So yeah, I'm still holding it though. I added more positions to it. Right, when trade came for break even, I feel like trade still needs to go back up because it was just coming for correction, to move up. But I know a lot of traders are looking for sales on USD CAD. A lot of traders are looking for sales on USD CAD. But I see this, look at the 1 week time frame. 1 week time frame, its price is actually playing in a consolidation level. When price got here, what happened? There was a bounce back here, a bounce back to this side, a bounce back here, a bounce back to this side. I'm expecting price to move back to, come for this whole level. That's why I have my weekly high set here and my weekly low here. So I think the weekly high must be filled, especially this whole full range has to be filled. So I'm seeing that on USD CAD. I'm still in buys. I saw a lot of tests, people saying that we are losing on USD CAD. You didn't lose any money on USD CAD. If you lost money on USD CAD, maybe I don't know, but we were in profits and trade came for a break even. So if you set your stop loss, if you move your stop loss to break even, that's when you can tell me that you only lost your profit. But still, trade is running. I'm still in the trade. If you missed the trade yesterday, you can re-enter, right? I think it's still valid for today. Entry your stop loss here and your TP2 here and TP1 here. So I'm still in USD CAD. There's a swing for me, and swing traders, we can stay in a trade for 5 days. I don't know why people want to see results after after 3 hours, after 4 hours. That's not swing trading. I don't have time to be scalping with 30 minutes time frame, 15. I don't have time for myself, and I just go home now. So it's like I'm always with the chat, only with the chat during New York sessions, and I have stuff to do, steady and stuff. So for me, I just set a TP, set a stop loss, and I leave the trade to run. I don't really care about price coming down, going up. I know there's going to be fluctuations in the market. So whenever you're in a trade, don't expect price to quickly move to your TP, or that kind of shit. Just leave it, put a stop loss and entry, and leave the trade to run. So we've not lost anything on USD CAD, unless maybe, I don't know, unless maybe you were scalping and you got clocked somewhere here. But I'm a swing trader. I know I'm not in a loss. Trade is back at entry. I'm still good. Very simple. Okay, trade is back at entry, so it's very simple. Any other questions on USD CAD? I'm finding it very difficult, to trade these days. I don't know. It's because of the exam fever. It's like I'm very, very anxious these days. And I'm very, very scared getting into trades, especially with my high risk account. I stopped trading in it even yesterday. Because it's like now anytime I see minus 200, minus 400, I get frightened. You get to that level in trading that anytime you see minus 100, minus 200, it's not about psychology, but there's something, I don't know how to put it, but it sometimes happen. Nowadays, anytime I see minus 100, minus 200, I get frightened and I get anxious. It comes with managing people's money. When you are managing people's money, if it's my money, I know that if I see even minus 1,000, I'm okay. Hey, I'm okay. But with minus 100 on someone's account, you feel a little bit anxious. That's why I don't advise anyone to get into account management. It would demean the way you trade. You not really have a flexible way of trading on your money, because you know that as soon as he is watching my account, this is his account. So if it's bad, it affects you in a way. You just don't have to give a fuck about it. But that's one disadvantage of doing hedge funds and stuff. But I love the challenge. So no questions on USD card. Hey, where's my biscuit? Let me take another. Come with Jimmy. All right.
Papi,
What other trade did we take yesterday? What other trade did we take yesterday? Right. Euro NZD. Nice. Okay, Euro NZD played out very well. And we took this with the trend of the market, lower lows, highs, lows, highs. Price got here. We waited for price consolidate for 5 days, and we waited to take this trade in 5 days, and it's paid out well. I'm actually closing out all full positions on Euro NZD. Sorry, I'm actually closing all positions on Euro NZD. Forget about the few pips, the few 20-30 pips left. Just close it, secure your bag, and enjoy the profits. Why we did take this trade? Very simple. Downtrend, lower lows, highs. We waited for the breakout below, and there was even another breakout on the 30-minute time frame. That's why I used this whole trend line. Price got broke out, came for a retest. If you draw the trend line to this side, you can see price was coming for a retest, which failed and boomed back to the downside. So Euro NZD, how many pips are we running currently? Let me check. Wow, that's like 5 pips. Beautiful. So yes, you can close Euro order. I left early. I left, I think, after 60 pips. Now I'm very anxious. I don't know. I can't hold trades for long. It's like I don't know. I just don't know. I think I have to finish the exams before I come back. Nowadays I'm really anxious. Really anxious holding trades, being in trades for long. So Euro NZD, nice 100 pips. Congrats if you took this trade yesterday with me. Right, back to USD card. Like I said, I'm still holding USD card, still back at entry. If you want, take another entry or open another position on Euro card, USD card. Stop loss here and TP still here. I'm still holding it. Let's go. All right. What other trade did we take yesterday? I think that's the two trades that we took here. We took US 32, but we took US 30 on I think on the stock page, on the stock VIP. I sent it just to the stock VIP. I would explain this whole setup, but I think I'm looking for sales on US 30 today too. I'm looking for sales on US 30 today too. Why am I looking for sales? Price is still playing on a bigger time frame. Price is still playing. Ignore my noise, okay? Ignore my noise. Price is still playing in a downtrend, right? Series of lower lows, highs, lows, right? We saw some nice highs here. So I'm only waiting for price. What I'm waiting on US 30 is I'm waiting for price to, come back to this zone or come back to this level. Price needs to come back to this level, maybe have a breakout, a fake spring before coming to the downside again, then I would be looking for more sells to this whole downside. So let's see what happens here. Right, so basically yes, price is still in a downtrend on US30, looking for sells. Price got here, bounced back to this whole level. I'm looking for a bounce, below again, right, when price gets here. Maybe 700. Let's see. I see something like that happening. All right, so US30 will be looking for sell. So I think we can take a US30 trade today. Live streams, we can maybe put a sell limit. All right, let's put a sell limit, right? All right, we'll talk about gold too. Let me finish with US30. Where are we looking for sales? At the trend line, or we should just wait? Sell limit or sell stop? Elvis, sell limit or sell stop? Because I'm seeing something like this. Price needs to, have this, then before back down. I'm seeing something like that on US30. I'm seeing something like that on US30. Okay, so let's put a sell limit on US30. The news was actually negative, so definitely there has to be some sells today. All right, so sell limit on US30. My first trade. I'll talk about gold too. I'm in gold now, but I'm in a drawdown. I don't want us to, take L's too. So sell limit on US30 at this price. 34,700. Put a sell limit here, 34,700. And TP 34,500. I see something like that happening. That's 200 points. I see something like that happening. And stop loss way above this whole level or this whole zone 34,800. If your account is not big, I don't advise US 30 for you. If your account is not big, I don't advise US 30 for you. I'm sorry. Because there's a whole 100 points risk. Right. So accounts from $500 can trade US 30, but with a low lot size. All right, let's quickly go talk about gold. So first trade on the day, US 30, sell limits at 34,700. Now let's wait. If sell limit doesn't get activated, it is what it is, and price gets to the downside, it is what it is. But I see price, coming back for this whole level again. Then we'll see the downtrend going down. Someone is asking, always, are you using fundamentals for this? Fundamentals was negative, so I'm seeing something like a pump and a dump fade. Price needs to convince a lot of people to buy more than we sell. 34,700 sell limit, stop loss 34,800, TP 34,500. All right, let's go to the next trade. It's Gabi here. Oh, Gabi is not here. He left. All right, let's talk about gold. Wow. Gold. All right, so gold on the 4-hour time frame is at a current resistance over here. Price is at a current resistance here, so I'm waiting for price to break above this to look for buying opportunities or to buy. All right, to look for buying opportunities or to buy. Yeah. So currently price is still playing in the liquidity area, so I think we should leave gold for now, or maybe if you are going to even trade it, we should use buy stops or something. Use buy stops, and our stop loss would be, let me go to the 30 minutes time frame, should be a bit clear, and our stop loss would be yes, 1967. Then where would our TP be? This whole level. So I see this happening on gold. In case this resistance breaks, I think this should happen on gold. We should do this. Buy stops above this whole level. Why am I putting buy stops? Very simple. On the 4-hour time frame, this is what I'm seeing. Right, on the 4-hour time frame, this is what I'm seeing. Price has already broken this whole resistance, right, making it look like a confirmed buy, right? So we're looking for buying opportunities on gold, but at what end? My first entry sucked. I just hit stop loss on my personal account, but I think my entry sucked because I only took the buys immediately after price broke above. I should have waited more for the candle to close and see the reactions and stuff. All right, so this is going to be the best trade to take on gold. If you don't have time, this is going to be the best way to trade. Buy stops on gold. Buy stops on gold at 1973. At 1973. Buy stops at 1973. And stop loss on gold somewhere just 50 pips. Let's just raise 50 pips. Stop loss 1967, just 50 pips. Just 50 pips. Just 50 pips. Just 50 pips, and our TP should be, since we are risking 50 pips, I think we should just look for 100 pips here. So our TP would be 1983. I see this happening on gold. All right. I see this happening on gold. Right. If anyone doesn't understand the reason why I put these figures, you can ask me. Very simple. Now, this whole liquidity area, there's a wick here. If this wick gets broke, when this wick got broken, you can see price, went to the downside, back to the another imbalance area, right? Now, look at this. If you are going to take buy stops, we are only taking buy stops because we know that if price could break above this above these two candles, we are going to be looking for buying opportunity. Yes, but in case price doesn't break above these two candles, I'm putting my stop loss here because of the wick here, right? Because of the wick here. So if price, this wick gets filled for the second time, I know that the buys are invalidated. So I'm looking for buys on gold. Second trade on today's streams is on gold. It's on gold. TP 1983, buy stops at 1973. Is Brahma here? Brahma. All right. Yes, and stop loss at 50 pips. If anyone disagrees with me, you can let me know. And let's go check on US 32. Wow, it didn't get activated. Sell limit didn't get activated. Should we close it? Should we close the sell limit? But I think the overall trend is a downtrend. Sorry, it's a downtrend. I don't know why it didn't get activated, but it is what it is. Maybe we might just miss it, But let's keep holding the sell limits to the end of the streams because I'm expecting something huge. Just keep holding it. Keep holding it. Let's see. What lot size should we use on gold depends on your portfolio, your accounts. So let me know your account and I can help you with lot sizes. $100, use the lowest lot size. $70, use the lowest lot size. 1 200, 1 200, 1 200. You're risking 50 pips, and you want to risk, let's say, 2% of your account. So 1 to 100, I think 0.4. Some lot sizes will be 0.40. Some would be 0.04. Some will be 4 lot size, standard lot size. They're all the same. So it depends on your broker. But Eagle FX is good to use 0.40 for this. 100 to 400, use the lowest lot size. Below 100, see it to be your high risk account. I was teaching my mentee something the last time, that as a trader you have to have 3 accounts. You have to have 3 accounts. One, we call it the high risk account, HRA, the high risk account. The second account should be a medium risk account, and the third account should be a low risk account. And you have to understand this, that if you are trading on a high risk account, there's nothing like emotions on it. There's nothing like emotions. Never place your emotions on high risk accounts. High risk account, see it as you are trying to flip the money, or see it as, never deposit to a high risk account with emotions. And don't think that you are going to, don't even look for profit on high risk accounts. Never ever. See it to be like you are risking the money. If you lose it, fair enough. If you don't lose it, remove. Have that kind of, I don't know if you guys do get me. A medium risk account, is where the kind of accounts that it's like you are using stop losses. I prefer you using medium risk accounts for signal providers. Any signal provider you trust, trade strictly their signals. Use one lot size, a fixed lot size, and see how you grow with it. And low risk account is where you if you're not confident as a trader, you want to be testing your technical analysis, your fundamental analysis, how good you are, your skills on trading. Use that on your low risk account. So 3 types of accounts. Every trader has to have it. Put your emotions only on your low risk account. Don't put your emotions on these 2. Never put your emotions on these 2. That's why you see a lot of gurus with different accounts, and you don't understand. And they don't even want to show you their balance, because if you know that they're having 100k, it will affect your psychology in a way. I don't know if you guys do get it.
Yes, sir.
I'm not called say. I always say this. I'm Elvis. All right, let's go talk about today. So today, we are taking buy stops on gold. And I'll be looking for sells too on US oil. But I'm not looking for sales, immediate sales. Because why? Because price just broke off a consolidation level. So I'm just waiting for what this candle will do, because I think price needs to come to this whole resistance level on US oil. There's a clear resistance level that price needs to come. It can come here before going down again. Just a waiting game on US oil.
Hello, Elvis.
What's up?
But there's been a news on oil, I think.
What is the news?
Let me put it. I missed it.
What was the news? What was the news? That's what I'm asking.
Hold on, please.
Who is dead? Or who is dying?
No one is dead. Hold on, please. Let me try and get back to you.
All right, check the news and get back to me.
All right.
What about Euro USD? Leave it. Leave Euro USD. This week is not a trading Euro USD thing. It's ranging. Leave it. And there are candles here. Look, there are candles here that you don't want to mess with it. Why do you want to trade in this? I don't get it. Leave Euro USD. Leave it. But I see something like this. Something like that. I'll leave Euro USD. Leave Euro USD. Always check GBP card. Yesterday we saw GBP card. What was it? So yesterday I said GBP card has to come to this level before going down. I see a downtrend. I still see a downtrend, forming on the 1D time frame. Price needs to, come back to this level, then reject. But before that, this is what you need to do. On the 4 hour, come to your 4 hour time frame. Look at what is happening here. It's consolidating here. This is what you want to do as a trader. You want to draw a box like this and just wait for breakout. If price breaks out above this whole level, look for buys. If price doesn't, it is what it is. So
Always.
yes, sir.
Do you think the sales on GBP card are done?
Sales, no. We just need a pullback to this level before you look for sales. So look for sales here at this level on the 4 hour time frame where price rejected or where price retested before. This is the right place or the right area to look for sales.
Card.
Let me scroll up and see which messages. All right, Christoph says, always please do check on BTC for me. All right, I would. Auntie Grace. Oh, Auntie Grace is watching me. Oh, every day you are eating. All right. There you are, me, Didi. I hope you kill it today from Celo Remy Jali Jela. Hey, Colombian name, I think. I think I did answer this. Is there a different way to pay FTML group? So I do only cryptocurrencies now. MasterCard is blocked, Skrill is blocked, PayPal is blocked, even Netflix is blocked here. So someone is saying gestational. What is gestational? Oh, it's something I was reading today. Obstetrics. This is medicine stuff. Something I was reading today. But we are not doing medicine today, so let's go straight to our chat. What of
Hello,
ADA
Elvis.
USD? All right, yes.
Please, can we check the US oil again?
Let's check the US oil. Okay. Is this Brimer?
Yeah.
All right. Let's check USD or US oil. Commodities. Okay. So on the 4 hour time frame, this is what I see.
Seems price respected the supports.
Which supports?
Go to the left side. No, not that area. Extend, like zoom out your chart.
It's still the same thing.
Yeah.
Price go here. Look. Look, something like this. Or let me just put a horizontal line here. This is what I think. Yes, it's a downtrend, but I wouldn't be looking for sales just yet. Let's see what, a big candle close. Let's see what happens with this.
I'm actually looking for buys to maybe $120.
120.
Yeah, I do have let me send my outlook to you on WhatsApp, your DM. I'm sending it right now.
Send it to me. I would, I'll try and share screen. Why 120? Are you thinking long term? It's also possible, but I don't see 120 happening so quickly or so fast.
It might be a long-term trade. I'm sending it.
Gabriel TV, should we sell gold? Our gold, you are looking for buys. We have a buy order, buy stops placed. Guys, some comments, I don't know. I'm saying buy, you are saying sell. I don't get it. All right, Brahma, let's continue.
Yeah, I'm sending you the outlook.
All right, but I see buys have going to 104, but 120 is too much for me. I don't see 120 happening soon. Maybe in weeks, months, but currently now, no. I don't see that happening. NZDCHF, always please look into it. Let's see if we can get. We are done with this. We are done with this trade. We are done with this trade. This was when I was explaining the bullish pennant stuff. You know, everyone was looking for bulls. I was looking for short. I see something happening on US oil. You know, same stuff happening on US oil. So 2 trades for today. If you just joined, welcome. Do like as you watch. Sell limits on US 30 at 34,700, TP 34,500, stop loss 34,800. You must have a big lot size, a big account size to trade US 30. Gold, our second trade was gold. Buy stops above 1973, TP 1983, stop loss 1967, 50 for 100 pips on gold. Let me see.
Hello, Elvis. Please, the news read that OPEC cuts 2022 world oil demand forecast due to Ukraine conflict. It came around.
Sorry, come again.
It says OPEC cuts 2022
okay,
world.
Okay. What was it? Was it a positive or a negative news? Let me understand it that way.
It's kind of I don't know. I don't know.
All right, you read it.
OPEC cuts 2022 world oil demand forecast due to Ukraine conflict.
Mm-hmm.
It came around, let's say 30 minutes ago. When
you keep reading. I want to be sure.
I only have the headlines, please.
Okay, cool. Okay,
Please,
so Brahma,
send you.
Yeah, Brahma. All right, that should be a negative news, isn't that so?
I think that should, which means oil will go up.
Oil has to go up, yeah. It has to go up. Commodities up, stocks down. I see that happening. Brahma. Is Brahma here? Okay, so this Brahma's setup. This is what he thinks. Same thing as this one. Right? He thinks price needs to go up, have a breakout, a rate test, back to this whole zone or this level again, then price would flash. Hey, where am I? Price will come for a breakout, a rate test, then would have a flash, to this whole side. It's also possible. But I think there's a long-term trade. Someone needs money for rent quickly. Tomorrow, this week, you are talking about 120.
But that person can buy to that zone over there. If it does retest that area.
Let's see. What would your stop loss be? Below this, right? Let's see whether we can take US oil, the breakout in US oil. Alright. Broken above. We are not even. Alright, so I would say this. Why don't we, instead of we taking buys now, why don't we wait for the break and retest before taking the buys?
Break and retest will be perfect.
Yeah.
Let's wait for price to fake a lot of traders out. Come here. Then we would look for buys here. So let's wait. I think it will take to 13th, 14th. That should happen 13th, 14th. So let's see. Okay. Makes sense that way,
Yeah, sure.
So let's wait. Tomorrow, maybe we'll get it tomorrow. I'll be off from 15th. When is 15th? 15th is Friday. So Saturday, Sunday, I wouldn't be online till 29th. So Brahma and the other guys will be taking over. You guys will get to know them. They are beasts. The guy Brahma on this live stream, fucking beasts.
Right.
The guy, he's the one to take $11,000 to $110,000. In how many days? Was it 11 days or 10 days? Fucking beast. Oh, it's good as a stop loss. Hey, it hasn't even activated though. Gold hasn't even yet activated. How are you guys trading this signal? Oh, has it activated? Did it get activated? Gold hasn't gotten activated. I said buy stops at 1973. Brahma,
Yeah.
input this trade for me. Same lot size.
Buy stops on gold.
Yes, buy stops.
Okay. 1973. Stop loss. What about stop loss?
It's on the screen. 1967 and TP 1983.
Okay.
Mentor check Euro JPY GBP. All right, so gold hasn't got it hasn't triggered yet. That's what I wanted to say. It hasn't triggered yet. So let's wait for the triggerment of gold. 73, stop loss 67, right, and TP 83. Let's await the triggerment of gold. So I don't know why someone is saying it has hit stop loss. I don't know. All right, and let's talk about what I think Euro GBP. There's a lot of people. Then I'll talk about Bitcoin. Then we'll do some synthetics too. So be patient with me, guys. GJ, I'm not doing anything there. I have no business with it. Why? Because there's nothing happening there. Euro CHF, we took it last week. Close trade. If you are holding, yes, I told you guys to close Euro NZD. So I think we are done with that. Euro GBP. All right, so Euro GBP,
what was your TP again? I beg.
Where?
Gold buy stop.
83.
83. Okay.
Yep. All right, so Euro GBP. What do we see here? All right, so help me. Let's analyze this together. What do you guys see?
That pair doesn't respect.
It will respect me. Don't worry. What do you see?
It's a downtrend.
Okay, downtrend. You're looking for selling opportunities, but look at this whole trend. I don't like this. I still think more sales if you are looking for to trade this. Listen, Euro GBP. Let me show you one trick. Euro GBP, Euro NZD, Euro CHF. They all correlate. When I say correlate, that means London session this may sell, New York session this may follow through, CHF may also follow through during the Asian session, but just know that they all have one direction. That's why you saw Euro NZD selling. You know, look at this. If you think I'm lying, look at this. Euro CHF, it's selling, right? Look, nice downtrend, it's selling. Euro NZ, what's happening? It's sold, boom. Euro GBP, what should you be looking for? Sells. So very, very simple. But at what point? I think a lot of people, this is another reason why I don't like trading patterns, right? What pattern was this? A double bottom, right? We are looking for buys to this level. Yeah. Some will also say this is what a W formation, right? So we are looking for buys to this level, and we are seeing it come to this level. So it's tough and tight. I see this happening here though. Something like this happening. So I'll put a zone here, and I'll be looking for sells if price breaks below the zone. I think Forex Kings, this guy is a pattern trader. Yesterday he was talking about, who remembers the pattern? I've forgotten the name of that pattern.
Bat pattern.
Bat. You know, I don't use this bat pattern, and I wonder how you guys use these stuffs. Some people are really brilliant to try to use these stuffs. Charlie, it's not easy. I don't understand how this works. That's not my style. I don't understand how that works. I'm not against it or something, but that's not my style. Okay, it works. If it works for him, he's making money. Respect. You know, I respect everyone's strategy. Just make money off the market. That's all that matters. Right. All right. So I see this. Let's wait for what price will do here. If price breaks below this, I'll be looking for selling opportunities to the next support. So Euro GBP, I think it's sells now, but let's just wait for more confirmation. This is a live stream. 200, 300 people are watching me live. If I make them lose money, some people will even curse me. So I beg, make you wait. All right, nice move from USD card. It has risen again. This was what I was expecting from it. It has risen again. It has risen from the dead. It is a pair. Okay, Euro odd. Someone is saying Euro odd. Please don't spam the chat. Okay, just type what you want us to. Euro odd. Be looking for selling opportunities. This is clear. And I must say the obvious is not obvious. It's obviously not obvious. So it's true. If the obvious is obviously not obvious, this is what you should be doing. Put a zone to where the price retested before. Look at what happens. If price breaks below this, you have your TP here. So what happens to this? This is a very simple analysis. Stop loss here, your entry here, your TP below this. Very simple. So Ben Ayi, I think we're good with that. Bring complicated pairs. I mean pairs that are not in trend lines. That's where you would learn. When a pair is in a trend, it's very easy to spot its move. And mostly I tell people that whenever you're trading pairs in trends, always trade with institutional candles. If you don't know institutional candles, just understand try to think about what I'm about to say. The obvious is obviously not obvious. Once it becomes obvious, like it's a downtrend, we are looking for sells here, be looking to do the opposite of that. That's the meaning of the obvious is obviously not obvious. So institutional candles, use that to trade this. All right, let's talk about USD JPY. Leave it. I'm bullish on USD pairs. I don't know why I saw a lot of people selling it, but I'm bullish on USD JPY. Gold still here. Now let's talk about cryptocurrencies. Let's start with Bitcoin. Bitcoin, trust you me, it's not bullish yet. Trust you me, it's not bullish yet. The fact that I said that we hit our target 40,000 doesn't mean Bitcoin is bullish. We still have a whole range to come here. I see 38k soon on Bitcoin. You know, price have to have a spring before it goes up. Always, always, always. Whenever you're trading in trends, two trends, always know that price is likely to have a spring, a fake out before it goes. Never look for buying opportunities at, you know, that's where the price retested on the trend line. So you can see this, right? You saw, what did we see here? A spring. So I'm seeing something like that, a spring here before price moves on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin padajdit here. Just wait, be patient on Bitcoin. Let's see what happens on Bitcoin. How can I connect with Brima? You need to pay Brima how much? $5,000 to get to Brima. All right, ADA USDT. Let's talk about ADA USDT. Wow, all TPs hits. I even forgot that I took a trade like this. You know, I even forgot that I took a trade like this. So this was our TP1 entry, TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4 smashed. Wow, I didn't even notice this. 20% of your capital. I'll go and update it on my crypto group. I'm sorry, I didn't even know. I forgot that I even took this trade because I took my profit after TP2. 10%. Okay, so that's that for ADA US. So leave it now. We are done. We are done making money from it. All right, let's go check US 30. Wow, we missed it, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, we missed US 30. Sad. We missed US 30. We missed it. All right, so close the sell limit orders. We missed US 30. Close it, close it, close it, close it. We missed the sells. Okay, close it. We would see whether we'll get an entry again. But for now, just close it.
Make her close my own too.
Yes, the sell limit. Close it, close it. We'll take Germany 30. Look at this anti-crab. Hey, we're parting this anti-crab. Let me look at the name. Anti-crab pattern. How do you guys understand all these things? Me them are born like I'm not too intelligent for these things. Let me look at this anti-crab. Is it like a crab, like the animal crab? Okay, so we have a bearish cattle, bearish butterfly, anti-butterfly, anti-bat, anti-crab, anti-shark, anti-cipher, anti-nenster, anti-hey. So because of the little money that you want to make, you're going to learn all these things. Wow. Okay, cool. It's nice. It's nice. So these are harmonic patterns. I know that from I think this group, I've forgotten your name. This popular Forex group, full of motivations. I'm not against them though, guys. My platform, we don't, you know. It's good. It's good. It's good. I've never tried this anti-crab and all these things. I've never tried these stuffs. I've never, ever. Brima, let's sell US 30, Germany 30.
Oh.
On the account.
Current market price.
Yes, current market price.
Is Germany 40 here?
Germany 40, yes, the same thing.
Same lot size as the US 30.
Yes, same lot size. Let me put, so guys, let's sell Germany 30. I think that's going to be the trade that we are going to take today. That's going to be the trade that we are going to take today. So let's all sell Germany 30. I'll give you the TPs and everything soon. All right, I'm coming. All right, so sell limits. Sell USD card. Sell Germany 30. Sell Germany 30. Sell Germany 40. Bam, are you done?
Sell limit on USD card.
No, just sell US 30. Germany 30. Let's all sell this. Sell it.
Are you saying we should sell USD card?
I said sell Germany 30. We are on Germany 30.
Okay.
Germany 40. Sell it. Okay. Or you're afraid to sell it?
Marcel.
Okay, good. Good. All right, so where are we going to put our stop loss, our TP? Crazy. The stop loss above this whole zone, right? So permit me to use a 60 pip stop loss. So Germany 30, sell it now. Ask me of lot sizes and account size, blah blah blah. I'm ready to help you. And my TP would be here. Wow. If price gives you two, let's say a full pip, you divide it by 2, right? That's what we know. So we want to put our TP somewhere here. 1400. I don't know, some brokers, prices on some brokers will differ. So let me know if your broker differs from what we have on Global Prime here. Then I'll know how to readjust or send the signals to you guys. All right. So 14,000, this is okay. Yes. All right. So Germany 30, today we are trading Germany 30 instead of US. We missed US 30's move, right? So I'm sorry about that. We would have smashed the full 200 points, but I was waiting for price to get to 34,700, you know, and we couldn't get there. So I'm sorry. So let's replace US 30 with let's replace US 30 with Germany 30. We good? Okay, Okay, any questions on Germany 30? If you have other setups that if you think otherwise on Germany 32, you can let me know. I'm human. I'm human. I'm human. I'm born to make mistakes. Okay. I'm here for all the corrections. Correct me if I'm wrong.
The sales are good.
They look good, huh?
If you check from the daily time frame, the previous day closed bearish, which gave. Do you have your setup? Do you share?
No, just tell me. We'll just look here.
Because from what's going on in the currently market is kind of giving a downtrend, so it's a good sell.
Okay. Brightma says it's a good sell. All right, let me share this on the free Telegram community. Nasdaq too, yes. But let's leave Nasdaq today. Let's just focus on one trade a day. One trade, one pair a day.
One, 2, 4, 7, 9 might be possible.
1, 2, 12.
Yeah, 12, 4, 7, 9.
Hey, are you an institutional trader?
No, I'm looking at it from the daily. I just added to my watch list. That's why.
It's okay. So that's not even swing trade. This is even position trading. Like you are leaving it for 2 months or 3 months. Someone needs, like I said, someone needs rent today. You know, so you should be looking for trades for those kind of people. Some people are on prop firms. Prop firms can't wait 2 months. You get me?
Yeah.
All right. So that is that.
We didn't update the stop loss in
All right. So okay. Yes, I did. I think I did, didn't I? 34 stop loss for you. Yes, Brahma. Yours is this. Let me send it to you.
Okay.
All right. I sent it already.
Okay, let me check.
Okay. All right, so Germany 30, NAS 100, I'm not trading it. US 30, I missed the move. Gold is about to get triggered. It's very pathetic. I hit my stop loss. on my personal account, but this is not a personal account. I'm very much careful when trading live with people, you know. So let's see, it's about to get triggered. If it does, fine. If it doesn't, fine too. So gold is about to get triggered. Let's see, we have 14 minutes more on the live streams. Obviously, can't we trade African pairs? If you want us to trade Naira, we'll trade Naira. Don't worry. Oh, wow. We didn't take the US oil. We are just waiting for break and retest, right? As we agreed, yeah. So breakout confirmed now. Let's await the retest to this whole level. Then we will buy it. So we'll be looking for buying opportunities at this whole level, right? So if you took the US oil, congrats, but I did not take the US oil. That was, can you trade Germany 30 with $40 account? No, you cannot. You cannot. Those with $40, $30, you have two options, right? Two options on $30. You have an option to, no, three options. One, you have the options of trading synthetics and trading VIX 10, 1S, VIX 10, those things. Nowadays, I don't know. Since I stopped working with deriv, it's been very difficult for me to be trading it. But definitely we'll take some trades today before we leave here. It's been very difficult taking trades on deriv. I don't really trade deriv as I used to. You know, you get to that level that, you know, you try to do something different, or you try to want something different, right? So that's that about US oil. Which other trade? So yes, like I was saying, you have three options. Go trade VIX 10, VIX 10 1S. It's good for those kind of accounts on synthetics. Link in bio, you see the derived link, register for it and trade that. Or you should trade currency pairs, and you should trade currency pairs that are very slow. Don't be trading GUs, and trade the pairs that are very, very slow. Or trade exotics, you know, pairs that are not commonly known, Singapore pairs and all those things. They are very, very good, especially when it gets good entries. It's very, very good for your account size. And then your third option, you can also use, you know, that $30 to eat bofruit. Is it buffalo or bofruit or what? Ongoto bofruit ND. You know, so you have three options. So it's either you are ready to risk with that $30, or you just use it to buy bofruit and eat buffalo bofruit. What is it? What is the English word? Someone should educate me.
Puff puff.
Chef, yeah, chef is here. What is it?
Puff puff.
Puff puff.
Yeah.
All right, so that's puff puff. Puff puff or puff puff? I'm serious. I'm not joking.
Puff puff. Puff. Puff.
Okay, so let me Google it. Let me verify. We have a chef, international chef. Wow. Okay, so I never knew that it's puff puff. I never knew. So today I call it buffalo or bofruit. Okay, so this is what I mean. So use the $30 to buy this and eat this. Puff puff is very, very. Those of you that don't know this, it's been some years, long. I think 4 years since I took one. It's been a while, but it's very nice. If you're in Ghana, you would understand this. Buff. Is it, so what came with the? Is it buffalo? I don't know. Chef, educate me, please.
It's bofloat.
Bofloat. BOFLOT. Bofloat.
Yeah, that one is our local name, but the English name is the puff puff.
Okay, so that's the local name, Bofloat. Someone is also saying it's what's the name? Someone is saying something. It's buff loaf, a loaf of buff. Okay, cool. Let's go straight to our chats. Wow, gold is activated. Let's go. Gold is activated. Let's go. Gold activated. Nice, running nice. All right, so we have 7 minutes to leave the live streams. I know you guys are going to miss me, and I'm going to miss you guys too. Let's come check USD card. How is USD card going? Wow. All right, still at entry. Still needs more patience. Let's see. You also hit stop loss too. It can either go either way, you know. It's trading. As you prepare for the best, expect the worst. Always. Benadai says both fruit. And when I was I used to live in Sunyane, Ghana. So, you know, the way Sunyane locally, how we are, we always say both fruit. Mommy, to both fruit. So I'm just used to that.
Elvis, it's even Accra, no.
Accra today say both fruit. Okay. Unless you get a slay queen that will say half, mommy, top half. You know.
We go Sunyane for any mass.
You know, I'm not saying Sunyane we are villagers or something, but that's how, you know, we say it there, both fruits. So we now know the new word, puff.
The word itself is bow float. Bow is like a bow and arrow. Bow, how it floats on the oil. That's why they describe it that way. Yes.
Hey,
everyone is now bringing different dimensions. Bow what? Come again. Bow.
B-O-W. Bow, like bow and arrow. How the bow and arrow. You see the bow. Yeah, that's how it floats on the oil.
Okay, so when
that curved manner, we call it bow. Yeah, that curved bow manner. Float. Bow float.
Okay, so it's floating on the oil, so we call it bow float. Hey, I've never heard this before. Okay, so bow floats. Okay.
Yeah. But the Gans call it tobe.
Okay.
Tobe. That. Yeah, the testicle of what? A pig. Or a goat. Goat, yeah.
Okay, I'm learning new stuff. I've never heard these things before. Tobe and this thing. I've never.
Yeah.
For me and Brahma, we've not seen life. So, Brahma, you wouldn't understand what he's saying. But Len, or say a bowl float when it's floating on the bowl. Bowl float.
A bowl.
Do search it on your search engine and let's see. If it's not there, I'm not taking that one. I'm taking Puff Puff.
Puff Puff is not the English name. It's a donut. It's called a donut.
Okay, Puff Puff is donut.
That's donut is the English name. So Puff Puff is Nigerians call it Puff Puff.
Okay, yeah. Nigerians call
Nigerians Puff Puff. Yeah.
Okay, so we are not in Nigeria, we are in Ghana, so we have to call it bowl float.
Bowl float.
Because if you go to Ghana and you tell someone that I'm buying, you go to a cocoa seller's place and you tell the person that I'm buying Puff Puff, the person will be like, "Are you crazy?" You know, I don't know whether they know this, but bowl float. Now I've learned something today.
Bowl float.
Someone says the old man has made my day. Even me. Right. So yes, we learn.
Gold is crazy.
It's going crazy, yeah. Wow.
Sent a signal to the chat room. I hit it TPI.
Let's see if it can get to 83. Let's see if it can get to 83. Okay. USD card. Wow, nice. I love it. It's just patience. On USD card. Verma went to close my trade for me. Verma. I'll tell you why USD card. I'm bullish on USD card. Very, very bullish on USD card. Germany 30 still playing around. All right, so I think we should end. Okay, last trade. I'm sorry. Yes, for synthetics. Give me a pair on synthetics. Let's analyze it and trade it. A pair on synthetics. Bernard, yes, it's a bowl float. I think we agreed on that. That's what I'm going to take. Togbe is in Accra, Ghana. Yeah. I took all today's signal and on $100 account and I'm in profit. Thank you always. I appreciate. You know, whenever I'm trading live with people, I'm more careful to pick trades because I know people are watching, you know. So I don't want to make mistakes. And I always give a caution, guys, if this trade I feel is not going to go well, risk what you can afford to lose. That kind of, you know, vibe. So people don't, you know, over risk, you know. I'll give a Bitcoin prediction tonight, so anticipate that show for me. All right, Pascal, that's my brother. Let's go. VIX 75. Let's see. It's been like a month or 2 months since I even looked at VIX 75 chart. All right, so I'm looking for selling opportunities on VIX 75. If this were Wyckoff's? What would we say this is? What is this on Wyckoff's?
Distribution.
What?
Distribution.
This is distribution, and after every distribution, we are likely to have another distribution to make what? Redistribution. Very simple. So you understand that analogy. This is Wyckoff's playing out. So just use the same Wyckoff's, you know, method. Now we see price coming to this whole level again, right? This is a major support. I think this side, this is a major support. So yes, I'm looking for more selling opportunities to this side to maybe 110. If it breaks through, I'll look for more selling opportunities to this side. So I think VIX 75 10 2000 is possible on VIX 75. So look for selling opportunities. Sell this bitch. Let's sell this. Let me give you guys TP stop losses, then I'll leave you guys. So this VIX 75, lovely. This is where my arrow, I'm bearish on VIX 75. My arrow is pointed to this whole level, something like this. This is what I see. All right, so where would you put your stop loss to? You put your stop loss here. Let me give you a clue on where to put your stop loss if you are going to take this trade with me. This is your entry, right? So our entry here, our stop loss will be above this whole level, right? So let me put the stop loss this way. Alright, so this is going to be the trade. Risk less for big profits. Very simple. Risk less for big profits. Alright, so I think this is it. This for me, this is how I see VIX 75. Let me try post this on my VIP. Let me try post this on my VIP. So this trade is given to you freely. Take it if you want, and let me know the the lot size per your account too. Let me know the lot size per your account too. Let me know the lot size per your account too. So I guide you on taking a trade. Alright, stop loss above that, so 1160795. Okay, I'm done. Boom 500. Okay, let's look at Boom 500 too. So this is it for VIX 75. Stop loss. Just take a screenshot and just take a screenshot or something. I'm surprised no one is saying stop trade Elvis trade what's the name, step index. I'm very surprised. So just let me know the lots. Just take a picture. That's going to be our first trade on VIX, and the next trade should be Boom 500. Then we are done. We'll come and recap the trades that we took. Then we would be done. Apart from Derive, that's what other pair do you use to trade VIX? Derive. Apart from Derive. VIX 75, very simple price action playing out here. There's no Y cost, so price action. Price needs to come back to this whole level, then we'll send it back again. So I'll be using sell limit here instead. Alright, I'll be using sell limit here. So second trade for the day, sell limit on Boom. If you don't have time like me, this is what you have. This is how you have to be trading. Use sell limit, sell stops, all those kind of stuff. So second trade for the day, I hardly go to synthetics to analyze pairs. So whenever I come here, I just want to take advantage of the markets, make money possible. Okay, so Boom 500, let's set a sell limit, right? Boom 500, let's set a sell limit. Sell limit at 44 9495, yeah, and TP should be 4419, stop loss 518. Very small stop loss, right? Let's risk very small stop loss. Let's risk very small stop loss. 4544. Right, so boom, 500, put a sell limit here at this price, 4495. Stop loss above this whole free range, because price can come here, you know, then before going down. And this will be my TP, 4419. Very simple. Very simple price action here. Very simple price action here. Very simple price action plan here. All right, so let's recap the trades and I'll leave you guys. So Bitcoin, don't trade Bitcoin yet. Leave Bitcoin. I see Bitcoin coming somewhere here to have a spring, as what happened here, to have a spring before going up. I'll let you guys know. I'll send a prediction when it's ready. For gold, we are still holding gold. We are currently in 40 pips profits. Amazing. Quick. Buy stop got activated. My TP is at 1983. We'll come back to talk about it tomorrow. 1963, 50 pips stop loss. And what other trade are we in? USD card, still playing around entry. I'm still holding that. And we have a trade on Germany 30 also playing around entry or something. So yes, so it's still good. Still our TP is here, our stop loss is, you know, above here. So let's see what happens on Germany 30. We also have a trade running Euro NZD. Wow, smashed. Crazy. 130 pips smashed from yesterday. If you kept holding, again, congratulations. But I left the trade early. Earlier. All right, so that's that for today. Euro CHF to close it. If you are holding, beautiful money's made there. Right, so I'll catch up with you guys on the flip side tomorrow. I hope you have a great day, a great evening, a great time with your family, and a great time on your chats. So see you guys tomorrow. God bless everyone. We are trading live again tomorrow, same time. I don't need to send a link or even to remind you. Please do join when time is up. I'll be here waiting for you. Right, God bless everyone. See you tomorrow and enjoy your evening.